Dear brothers and sisters, Jesus continues telling the Pharisees and the scribes on their faces who and what they are. We heard one part yesterday, we heard one part today, and tomorrow you'll hear the final part. What is Jesus telling the scribes, Pharisees, also to us? Two things are priorities in life, and second is who we are, our being. It just reminds us, first of all, that in life there are priorities. Which is the first one for us, and which is second one, or secondly, how do people see us, what we do or what we are? Somebody has said quite rightly, what is within or what we are, our being, is more important than what we do. Actions are important, good deeds are important, charity is important, but does it come from within, or do we do it because others do it? We want to show ourselves that we are generous, or we want the reward already on this earth. So just remind us today to look into our lives and see, do we project what we are in our daily life, or is there a dichotomy between what we do and what we are? The example he uses is we need to clean the cup, not only from outside, but also from inside. The second thing he speaks about is life priorities. What is more important? Observing all the small, minute, so-called laws, regulations, ordinances, and forgetting the main thing. For the Pharisees, the main thing was to fulfill all those ordinances which the law which come down from the ancestors, like giving share of their tithe to others. But they forgot mercy, compassion, care for the widows and those like who they outstretch. So let's pause and reflect on our own lives. Do we project in our life what we are from within? Let the Spirit within us speak about through our words.